Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Chrysler, Grand Voyager, 12 plate 2012, metallic silver. Car has front fog lights, has privacy rear glass, electric sliding rear door. Car has rear parking sensors, has reversing camera. Electric split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 7 headrests, ISOFIX. Four electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, electric seats, memory as well, auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation, has reversing camera. Car has USB aux connection. Climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.